What's the difference between solid and liquid shampoos and conditioners? I'm Katie, and in today's episode of AFI Explains, I'll be going over the difference between these product types and why you might want to make one over the other. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more episodes of AFI Explains. Liquid shampoos and conditioners are probably what you're most familiar with. They're mostly water-based and come in bottles with pump or squeeze nozzles that allow the user to dispense the product. In shampoos, whether they're solid or liquid, the primary ingredients that contribute to the functionality of the product are surfactants. Surfactants help clean out the hair because they grab onto the dirt and oil molecules of the hair that can be washed away by the water of your shower. Shampoos also contain different ingredients depending on the intended outcome, whether it be to clarify, moisturize, or volumize. Clarifying shampoos have less moisturizing add-ins or instead mostly surfactants for effective cleanings, where moisturizing shampoos are not as deep cleaning and to be easier on the hair. Conditioners, on the other hand, contain many emollients and hydrating ingredients. The emollients will help emulsify the oils and butters within the conditioner to allow them to wash out with the water of the shower. These oils and butters that improve the texture and health of the hair, as well as ingredients that provide slip. These ingredients help detangle locks after being shampooed. The biggest difference between solid and liquid shampoos and conditioners is the water content and packaging. Liquid products contain a great deal of water, typically anywhere from 70 to 90%. This allows to dispense easily and cost less. Solid shampoos and conditioners, on the other hand, only contain a small amount of water. The ingredients are otherwise relatively similar, but the solid shampoos and conditioners are often more expensive to produce and price than their liquid counterparts. It can be difficult to formulate liquid products as the viscosity and appearance are impacted by many factors. Fragrances that contain vanillin can thin out formulas which are difficult to thicken back up. You also need to determine which packaging you will use if you produce liquid shampoos and conditioners. This will play a large role in the cost in production, as packaging is another cost that must be taken into account. Although solid shampoos and conditioners need some form of protection for shipping, this packaging is often more cost effective than plastic bottles. Some consumers may also appreciate the lessened environmental impact that solid shampoos and conditioners have compared to plastic bottle counterparts. At the end of the day, it's up to you to decide what's right for your brand and ideal for your client base. Perhaps either product type is not ideal due to the various factors including production, cost, and consumer type. Regardless of what type of shampoo conditioner you make, AFI is the perfect fragrance for your brand. Be sure to check out our web store for tons of scents you can use to elevate your product both liquid and solid to the next level. Until then, I'm Katie, and thanks so much for joining us today. See you guys again soon. Bye!